Hello, guys, welcome back to AppGeeker. In today's video, I want to show you how you can record your iPhone screen with ease. Are you tired of recording your iPhone screen? You're not alone. You may face the situation that when you want to show others what happened on your screen, you can't find the recording tool on your iPhone. In this video, we'll share you the simplest way to record your iPhone screen. We can easily screen record our iPhone screen even when it's not in full screen mode. Here I'm having an iPhone 7 Plus. iPhone models are bundled with screen recording function. Now follow me to record your iPhone screen. We can see it has a home button. We can press it or the power button to wake up the screen. Then unlock the iPhone. Now we're in the home screen. Later, to record the screen, we simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This step will open the control center. The control center is filled with shortcuts for some functions like screen recording. Here we can see the screen recording button. But I know some of you may don't have the recording button. Don't worry, I'll help you with it. Now let's back to the home screen and go to Settings. In the settings, we need to find Control Center and hit it. We can see there are various functions can be added into the control center. What I'm going to do now is to hit the green add button in front of the screen recording. But I've added it before, so you guys can notice that the button in front of screen recording on my phone is a red one for removing. After we've added the screen recording, let's back to the control center. Still, we need to swipe up to open the control center. And I believe you can see the recording button here. Later, what you should do now is pressing the recording button. I'm gonna press it, and see, after 3 seconds countdown, the recording process starts. It's easy, isn't it? When you want to stop recording, we have 2 ways to stop it. The first one is hitting this red button. Can you see it? It's located on the most top. Hit it, and this window will pop up. Confirm it, and the recording will stop. But I'll cancel it and show you another way to stop. You must remember the recording button in the control center. I'll open it again. We can see the recording button is in red. This means the recording tool is working now. Hit it, and the recording process will stop at once. The recording will be saved in Photos app. Let's go to the Photos to check it. Open the Photos and find the latest video to play it. I'll drag the progress bar for a quick check. We can see that all on-screen activities before were captured. The recording process on full-screen iPhone is almost the same as the process on the iPhone with a home button. The only difference is the way to open the control center. You need to swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. If you don't have this option, as adding recording icon on non-full-screen iPhone, go to Settings first. Then scroll down as I do to find this control center option. Then hit the green button in front of screen recording to add it to the control center. Now I'm going to open the control center again. You can open the application you want to record first and open the control center. Swipe down from here, this right corner, and tap the screen recording button. We can see a countdown of 3 seconds before the recording begins. Like recording on the iPhone with a home button, we can stop recording in 2 ways. You can tap this red button in the upper left corner, then confirm. Or open the control center to hit the same recording button again. Then the recording stops. We can go to the Photos app and check the recording. The inbuilt recording tool of iPhone is undoubtedly the most convenient recording way. But, I have to say, there's a situation that you can't record your iPhone screen with this tool. We know that the storage of iPhone is limited. If the recorded file is large, you may be notified that the iPhone is out of storage. Or your recording process will be interrupted. Whatever, but in general, you can't record your screen anymore. That's annoying, isn't it? But here I'll bring you a screen recording tool, AppGeeker Screen Recorder. It can record screen on your Windows computers, Mac models, and mobile devices like iPhone, Android, and tablets. Here I'll lead you to record your iPhone screen with this tool. First, download the tool on your computer. Actually, the recording process on Windows and Mac are almost the same. You can follow me regardless of the computer OS. Here I'm on my Windows PC, so I'll download the AppGeeker Screen Recorder for Windows. Then launch it. To save time, I've prepared this software in advance. You can download it from the link below this video. After then, I'm gonna set the phone recording. I should first connect my iPhone to the computer. And there would be a pop-up window on my iPhone screen to ask for the allowance to trust the computer. If you don't trust it, the computer can't recognize your iPhone. Once connected, what I'm gonna is choose this phone recorder option. This is set for both iPhone and Android devices. I'm going to choose iOS device. Then this screen will show up. It notes that your device and the computer should connect to the same WLAN. Okay, I'll check the LAN connection. We can see my iPhone and my computer both connect to HH. Then follow the text and GIF guide to finish the preset. We need to open the control center. Then click the screen mirroring. Choose this iZsoft screen recorder option to wait for the connection. Well, see. It is connected. And all my activities, no matter if I swipe the screen or open the application, are displayed on my computer. Now we can click the record button to record the iPhone screen. After recording, hit this stop button on the computer. The recording will be showed on the screen for you to check. I'm gonna check it by dragging the progress bar. Then click this export button to save it. The recording will be saved on the computer. We can find it by right-click it to open the saving folder. That's all for today's video. If it helps, please give us a like. If there are any questions, you can leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more tricks.